Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning one-owner Kawasaki Z900. Registered the 10th of April 2026 on a 26 plate with only 1,723 miles and presented in ebony/metallic carbon grey. This Z900 has been tastefully enhanced with a range of quality accessories including a tail tidy, aftermarket slip-on exhaust, carbon effect flyscreen, front brake plus clutch lever guard, front axle sliders, rear paddock stand bobbins, CNC heel guards and bar end weights. Powered by Kawasaki's thrilling 948cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the Z900 delivers exhilarating performance with strong mid-range torque, razor-sharp throttle response, and a truly addictive soundtrack. Whether you're carving through country roads, tackling the daily commute, or enjoying a weekend blast, the Z900 offers the perfect balance of performance, agility, and everyday usability. The latest generation Z900 benefits from a comprehensive electronics package, including a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, Kawasaki traction control (KTRC), selectable power modes, cruise control, and a bidirectional quickshifter for seamless up and down gear changes. Combined with its lightweight trellis frame and confidence-inspiring handling, the Z900 is one of the finest naked sports bikes in its class. This bike will leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection (PDI) and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's 4-year warranty. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, along with a range of flexible finance packages to suit your needs. Please note there is a small £89 administration fee, applicable to all of our motorcycles. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, WhatsApp 07359837799 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.